Everybody in my channel, today we have a new question for you. This question is related with the exponential equation. So first of all we can explain, and here 9 exponent of x minus 4 exponent of x is equal to 65. How we can find the value of x is unknown. So very tricky question. Look here. So and here we are needed complete square of 9 is 3 square, we get is equal to 9, and similarly in here 4 complete square is 2 square, so we can write 9, we can write 3 square, similarly and 4 is equal to 2 square. In the place of 9 we put here 3 square whole exponent of x minus 2 square whole exponent of x is equal to 65. Now according to the double exponent rule, a exponent of m whole exponent of n is equal to mn whole exponent of m. According to this rules we are applying here, so we are the power to each other, so and here we will get in here 3 whole exponent of x square minus and 2 exponent of x square is equal to 65. Again we are using the formula a square minus b square, here is equal to a plus b into a minus b. According to this formula we are write this term 3 exponent of x plus 2 exponent of x into 3 exponent of x minus 2 exponent of x is equal to 65. Now we get a plus b and a minus b, so it means that we are needed in here we can 13 multiply by 5, we get 65 in the exponent of 3 exponent of x plus 2 exponent of x into 3 exponent of x minus 2 exponent of x is equal to 13 multiply by 5. Now according to the condition of a plus b must be greater than a minus b, so we are compare here 3 exponent of x plus 2 exponent of x is equal to 13. We give first equation. Similarly 3 exponent of x minus 2 exponent of x is equal to 5. This is second equation. Now look here, the second term is one is positive and the other is negative, so it means if we directly equation number second term, look here, one is positive, one is negative, if we directly add equation number first and second, so we will get the answer is add equation number first and second, so this will be cancelled, we get 2 3 exponent of x is equal to 18. Now 2 and 3 exponent of x is equal to 18, dividing both sides by 2, so this will be cancelled to each other, we get in here 9, 3 exponent of x is equal to 9, 3 exponent of x is equal to 9, we can write 3 square. Now bases are same, we are compare their exponent x is equal to 2. Now we want to check our answer is correct, and now we are proceeding for checking. Here we check our verification. In the place of 9x minus 4 exponent of x is question mark is 65. In the place of we put in here x is equal to 2 minus square is question mark is 65. Now we get in here 81 minus 16 is question mark is 65. So we get 65 is equal to 65. It means that our answer is correct. X is equal to 2. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.